Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hectic few weeks. I feel like I say this all the time, but my best friend just got married and she had beautiful florals for her wedding, so I'm just gonna dry some of them. I had the privilege of being her bridesmaid, and it was so magical to be a part of her beautiful, special day. Here at Big Bowl, this is one of my go-to spots. I find it is super affordable and they have all the ingredients I like in my hot pot. I always get the collagen broth. It is so flavorful and honestly healing for the soul. If you're looking for a new K-drama to watch on Netflix, I highly recommend You and Everything Else. It brought so many different emotions for me, and it really highlights the journey of friendships and how things can really change throughout different life stages.
Welcome. Hey Google. It's 9:14. I usually get started on breakfast way earlier than this. I'm not really that good in the kitchen.
is my little bookstore is finally done. It is so cute. Honestly, this is my first time building this type of model. I had assumed it would be a little bit more crafty, but it was actually just very tedious with removing the double-sided tape and sticking stickers on everything. But nonetheless, it is still super, super cute. This is what happens when I decide to have an early lunch. The cravings hit and I have no reason to really restrict myself from late night carbs. So this is my favorite noodles and some soup dumplings. I haven't had instant noodles in a minute. I also just finished one of the K-dramas I was watching, so I need to find something else to watch now. We both have one, and then we're sharing the other one.
And this is dipping sauce. Please.
Okay, thank you.
And then ginger garlic.
Yeah, we'll share that. We are at Hambo right now, and we ordered 3 bowls. So we each have the beef bowl, but then we ordered the cold kimchi. The server had to confirm twice, and the guy that was bringing out the food had to count to make sure he got the right table number. For dinner, I tried a new recipe and kind of getting inspiration from Hong Kong style cafes. So I'm trying my take on a cheesy chicken baked rice. It's crazy that I am finding so much joy in cooking because a few years ago I was so scared to step into the kitchen, but now I really found my rhythm with cooking and have the confidence to try new recipes. It turned out so well. It was really delicious. I think for next time I will add a bit more sauce and cheese. You know, spicy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, I post every Monday, so see you in the next one.